At last we will reveal ourselves to the Jedi. At last we will have revenge.
Love Star Wars.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Star Wars in your mouth.
Star Wars in my mouth. Yeah. Star Wars in my mouth.
Star Wars in your
Nigga,
mouth.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Let's go Star Wars.
You over there.
I am over here.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Lego.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Star Wars in your
Nigga,
mouth.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Go sofa.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Star Wars in your mouth.
Star Wars in my mouth. Yeah. Star Wars in my mouth.
Star Wars in your
Nigga,
mouth.
Star Wars in my mouth. Star Wars in my mouth.
Star Wars in your mouth.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Cold Medina.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Star Wars in your
Nigga,
mouth.
Star Wars in my mouth.
Star Wars.
Star Wars in your mouth. Bring that beat back.
Darth Vader. Lord Vader.
Good job.
Hello again, friends, and welcome back to Slim Bones Lego Star Wars channel. As you have probably guessed, today we're going to talk about the LEGO Star Wars 75280 501st Legion Clone Troopers building kit. It was around the first of the year that I really started to think about this set. I mean, it's a $30 set which includes 4 minifigures. 6 if you count the 2 battle droids, and enough parts to build a BARC speeder and an AT-RT. This is a heck of a deal for building an army, and you get it for $6 less on Amazon. Honestly, my take on this set, or what I ultimately wanted to accomplish, isn't terribly interesting. I bought 17 sets because I wanted an army of 50 similar clones. 17 times 3 equals 51, so maybe you're wondering what I'm going to do with the last clone? He will be Captain Rex. Or at least a poor man's Captain Rex. Or so I thought. LEGO has had 4 different renditions of Captain Rex, all of which have been retired for years. If I want a new or very nice used version, I'd likely spend well over $100 for one minifigure. I don't think so. No way I'm doing that. After doing some research and comparing aspects of my 2 favorite styles, the SW0194 from 2008 and the SW0450 from 2013, I decided that an adequate poor man's version of Rex would just be the torso and legs from a 501st Jet Trooper, the helmet from a 501st Clone Trooper, the Captain Rex head from the 2008 version, a 61190C visor for the helmet, the 61190B armor pauldron, the 74664 Kama cloth in black, and a couple of the 62885 Indiana Jones pistols in black. As far as I was concerned, the only real pricey part of my poor man's Captain Rex was going to be his original head, the Kama cloth, and the armor pauldron. I got all 3 for less than $30. However, because I'm a noob, I didn't realize until after the Rex parts package arrived that the visor won't attach to the new 501st helmets. They don't have mounting holes. After using a few cuss words and referring to myself as a filthier cuss word, I threw in the towel and bought an original 2008 Captain Rex helmet. And upon realizing that the thickness of the armor pauldron from the 2008 version was making Rex taller than the other minifigures, I bought the blue cloth pauldron that came with the 2013 release. After all that's been said and done, I'm very pleased with my version of Rex. If any of you LEGO diehard so-and-sos have anything negative to say about my mishmashed Captain Rex, please see yourself out accordingly, unless you wish to be called a filthy cuss word. I don't have a mock in mind, so for now, my plan is to just display my 50-plus 501st Legion clone army on a 32x32 base plate. Before purchasing these kits, I did some research on YouTube and found out that both the Bark Speeder and ATRT Walker builds in this set are too large and otherwise inaccurate representations of what they actually look like in the Clone Wars series. I chose to use the designs for both from fellow YouTuber SW Bricks and Figs. As far as I'm concerned, the Bark Speeder and ATRT Walker shown on his channel are the best, so if you haven't seen them, be sure to check out SW Bricks and Figs. I only built 4 speeders and 3 walkers, as that's all I currently need for my display. I'm happy to say that the balance of all the extra parts from those 17 kits are accurately sorted and put away into my inventory. To go along with my 501st Legion clone army, I couldn't choose to display it properly without a General Skywalker minifigure and his Padawan learner Ahsoka Tano. For Anakin, I went with SW1083, and for Ahsoka, I chose SW0192. I also decided to pick up a black hood and cape, just in case I'm ever in the mood to display my clone army with Darth Vader. In fact, the reason I chose to make this display with rows of 7 clones instead of 8 is because 7 is the correct amount shown while Anakin Skywalker is marching his 501st Army into the Jedi Temple. Finally, my adventure with the LEGO Star Wars set 75280 501st Legion Clone Troopers building kits has come to an end. As always, I appreciate you stopping by to check out what I have to say and show you, and I'm sure you realize how much fun I have doing so. Until next time, thank you very much from Slim Bones LEGO Star Wars channel.
The Emperor's coming here?